Lesson 7, expected learning outcome. At the end of the lesson, student will be able to. Let's read. Activity 1. Activity 2. Activity 3. Activity 4. Let's learn. Adverb of time, adverb of place এবং adverb of manner. How, what এবং when দেওয়া আছে এখানে। Activity 5. Activity 6. Let's learn. Activity 7. Activity 8. Self-check. Let's read. Activity 9. Activity 10. Activity 11. Activity 12. Look at the picture. Now write 5 sentences about the picture.